It's back to school season,
and I want to share my best tips for a back to school glow up. I'll start off with my top makeup tips, followed by a K-pop inspired hair tutorial, and I'll finish off with my extra special organizational advice.
When I was in school, I was not a morning person. Being quick was really important for me, and I was poor, so things that were affordable and multifunctional would be especially important. I hated the feeling of cakiness, so I would always only wear one skin product. So before I would get something like this e.l.f. concealer, and then I would just put it here. But I also had no pimples. Like, it was so weird. Like, during puberty, I literally had like no pimples anywhere. So the base I'm gonna... where's the front? Oh, here. The base I'm gonna do today is this NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. I'm only putting it on my pimples and spots that I want to conceal. So usually that's this under eye bag area and this nose area. I blow my nose a lot. Also, I forgot to say wear SPF before you put on foundation. My bad. I'm just skipping things. What a hectic tutorial. Next, get yourself a product that's a balm. This could be any type of like cheek balm, anything that says like lip balm, all those will work. Basically, you can use this on your cheeks, your eyes, and your lips all in one shot. This is sort of the placement that I use, and then just blend it out. Sometimes I even like to contour my nose a little bit with the residual. Now that we're all rosy and cute, if you don't want any eye makeup, the next step is optional. Get yourself a neutral eyeshadow palette. It could be any of these with a little sparkle in it. I'm just gonna put light eye makeup on.
Using a bit of eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes and a light brown color for my aegyo cell.
My favorite part, take the sparkles, apply them on your lid. Take the same sparkle and put it underneath as well.
For the next tip, you can use your eyebrow pencil in two ways.
Do your eyebrows normally. Now you can also use your eyebrow pencil as eyeliner if you want to save money and you don't want that many products. I also like to line my bottom lash line. Now curl your eyelashes. Put on your best long-lasting mascara. Lastly, if you like the shine, you can keep it, but if you're going out all day, I would suggest using a nice powder. This is the Fitme one from the drugstore. And just dabbing a bit on some of the spots you don't want that shine. And this is the makeup. What do you think? I've been seeing hair bows on so many K-pop idols, so this is going to be K-pop inspired hairstyles. The funny thing is I don't even actually have any hair bows, so I actually went out and bought some ribbon. It really depends on how long you want your bow, but I want mine to be as long as my hair, so I cut 1.5 meters. First hairstyle is super simple. Tie your hair into a ponytail, leave a bit of bang.
Start by placing the ribbon onto your ponytail and then make a loop. And then just tie a bow tie. Sorry my voice is so croaky right now. It's literally the morning. Do I sound like one of those thirst trapped guys? What is some guys cheat on their... Okay, I'm kidding. And this is the result.
The pony and bow is probably the easiest one. Now let's go to level 2. For this next look, I found some bigger ribbon. So I tied a bow like this, and now I'm gonna glue it onto the spare clip I have. Sometimes when you're a broke student, you just don't want to spend the money. That's why I'm gluing a bow tie to a clip. That's literally me right now. Although I'm not a student and I'm not that broke. Make sure the clip is open when you glue it. I also want to make the bow tie look a little bit more presentable, so I'm just adding another piece to wrap around the actual bow. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a high half up ponytail.
And then I just clipped in the bow above. And this is what it looks like.
On to the third and hardest look. Remember the ribbon from the first look? We're gonna make 2 of them and then we're gonna glue them to these clips. We're just gonna start by grabbing a small amount of hair, sort of where my gray and pink separate. I'm gonna loosely tie it around here. Now putting the clips in, and this is the final hair look. What do we think? I'm going to show you a few easy ways to keep your backpacks cute and organized. And I really wish I knew these things when I was going to school. First up is the power of travel containers. Let me show you some examples. I freaking love this spray and I bought a whole size bottle of it, but obviously I can't carry that around. So I put it in a little mini spray bottle, and this is perfect for spritzing after PE class. Feels so good. I love using this for body lotion because hand cream from the store is so scented. So I can put whatever cream I want in here and then I always reach for it. Lastly, for my contact wearers, this is actually really great. So inside there's a little bottle for contact solution, your contacts, tweezers, and a plunger. So you don't have to carry around a full-size bottle of contact solution. I think it's great. On to my second tip. This tip is so important and I really wish I knew this earlier. Get yourself an essentials pouch. It could be any type of pouch that you think is cute. I have this one, I also have this one, I have a bunch. Basically what you're gonna put in it is stuff you grab every single day. Obviously with the essentials pouch, it's what's essential to you, but I'll show you what I have in mine. I usually carry around at least one pad with me. I always carry around one lip balm that I really like using, like my everyday everyday one. And then I also carry around a regular chapstick. I like these individually packed Q-tips. Hand cream we talked about earlier. Spray we talked about earlier. Always eyelash curler. Always. A small size concealer. And this is actually gum. I bought this big size of Xylitol X BTS. And then I just put it in this little guy. I accidentally left out one thing, and it's this little hair package. But honestly, look at it. It's so easy to move this from bag to bag. Like, I can put it in a backpack. This is my small crossbody that I take around. Fits in there. And honestly, it enhances the tote bag experience because you can just like put it in there. You know how you're always like looking for your wallet or your keys or something? You're like, ah, tote bag. Why are you like an empty hole? Well, essentials bag. Ta-da! So easy to find. I should be an advertiser for little pouches. So that is all I have for my back to school mini series. If you want more episodes and tips, please leave your requests in the comments. Bye.